Australia is a country with diverse cultures. Migrants with multicultural background have contributed widely and played a significant role in the history of the country. Since its establishment in 1981, CASS, consisting of a group of charities, has been dedicated to providing a comprehensive range of social and welfare services to the multicultural communities. From a humble beginning, today, CASS has become a vital pillar of Australia's multicultural communities. CASS has expanded services to Sydney, Wollongong, and Melbourne. Our service areas include aged care services, disability services, childcare services, employment and training services, settlement and health services, mental health services, volunteering opportunities, promotion of Chinese language and culture, community activities, and community capacity building. By early 2026, over 8,500 families receive support every week. CASS serve people from Chinese, Korean, Indonesian, Vietnamese, Malaysian, and Singaporean backgrounds, as well as the wider public. It is the organization that connects communities and inspires hope. Mr. Henry Pan OAM was the foundation chairperson of CASS and in different leadership positions since 1981.
In the 1970s, Australia started to implement multiculturalism policy. At that time, the Australian government encouraged ethnic community organizations to provide community services to their respective communities. And there was a group of enthusiastic people in the Chinese community. They wanted to start providing childcare services because at that time it was actually very difficult to find culturally relevant childcare to Chinese people.
To help young migrant families finding childcare services, a group of enthusiastic Chinese volunteers led by Mr. Henry Pan and Dr. Lang Tam set up a family daycare service without any financial support from the government. This was the beginning of CASS.
At the beginning, we were faced with a lot of problems. For example, we need to buy a place to operate the childcare services. We had no money and the bank will not loan us money to buy the place. End up, we have to ask around, and some enthusiastic people agree to put up their personal asset as a mortgage in order to get bank loan.
CASS has been providing family daycare since 1982. We create a safe and inclusive environment for multicultural families. Today, CASS oversees about 60 registered educators from Chinese, Korean, Thai, Vietnamese, and Bangladesh backgrounds. They serve around 300 families every week. The first childcare center opened in 1985. Now, CASS runs 3 Gumnard Early Learning Centers in Kempsey, Hurstville, and St. Leonard's. Today, CASS services cover many areas. The 2 residential aged care facilities and home care services provide a one-stop support system for seniors.
We are committed to providing professional and compliant aged care services. We strictly follow the aged care quality standards and keep improving our quality. Our board and our management team are composed of multicultural professionals. We ensure strong governance, risk management, and continuous improvement. Despite growing market competition, we remain guided by integrity and respect.
CASS helps seniors with their daily living needs. The staff are well-trained who understand different languages and cultures. They provide comprehensive care and support so that seniors can live safely and comfortably at home.
Tôi vừa ý nhất cái cô Giang này là vì như vậy, là cô ấy tự động cô ấy tìm việc cô làm và cô làm có cái tâm, và thứ hai nữa là cô ấy làm công việc đâu ra đó rất là vừa ý tôi.
Our home aging services have grown a lot over the past 10 years. As Australia's population ages, the number of staff and clients have increased rapidly. Following the reform began in November 2025, we successfully transitioned from the home care package to the support at home program. Through a more detailed classification system and short-term support pathways, we continuously refine our service delivery and the care management to improve operational efficiency and better meet each senior's needs. We also provide services of Commonwealth Home Support Program. This helps seniors to stay independent and enjoy their later years at home.
The two residential aged care facilities are located in Campsie and Asquith. They are warm, comfortable, and safe. They provide 160 single rooms with private ensuites. The CASS Asquith Residential Aged Care Facility has special wings for residents from Chinese and Korean backgrounds. More culturally tailored wings will be introduced when the community's needs grow. With the adjacent community hall and independent living units, life here is independent and fruitful.
We operate two residential aged care facilities with heart. We look after not only the seniors' physical health, but also their emotional and mental well-being. We respect different cultures and languages. Our residents come from many different regions, including China, Korea, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. Our team members can speak their languages. We also provide multicultural activities, festival celebrations, and meals that cater to their cultures.
The intergenerational program has been a key project for CASS in recent years. It bridges the gap between ages, languages, and cultures and integrates community care in practice. In Campsie, for example, various activities are held among the adjacent residential aged care facility, seniors activity group, and early learning center. They enjoy calligraphy, gardening, music, and sports. It won the Intergenerational Program of the Year Early Childhood 2024 award from AIIP, Australian Institute for Intergenerational Practice. Since 1994, settlement and health services have been a major support for the Chinese community, including face-to-face casework and referral services for housing, employment, education, health, and welfare needs.
Our mission is to support the multicultural communities and facilitate new migrants settle and thrive in Australia. In 2012, our excellent service was recognized by the government. We became the only Chinese organization to provide settlement service in Sydney to help new migrants integrate into Australian society. We also developed a migrant youth program, women's support service, and provided domestic and family violence, as well as gambling support. Together, we safeguard the integration, safety, and well-being of our community.
As the needs of East Asian immigrants continue to grow, we expanded our settlement services to the Korean community in 2020 using our own resources without any government funding. We further expand these services to the Vietnamese community in 2022 and will expand to the Indonesian community, promoting multicultural integration.
Besides providing settlement and health services to the community, CASS promotes mental health support and social participation. Through the volunteer program, community members not only contribute but also build a strong support network with a sense of belonging. The team also provides professional counseling services to individuals and families to deal with stress and loneliness and to make the community truly become a warm haven.
Many seniors and migrants with East Asian background feel lonely because of the language and cultural barriers. Volunteers are the backbone of CASS. We have a volunteer recruitment and training system to provide services, including the CASS H-Line on Crisis Hotline, the Aged Care Volunteer Visitor Scheme, and CASS Connect call service. This helps reduce isolation among seniors while promoting well-being and social connections. Also, our volunteers support 55 multicultural senior activity groups. The CASS community volunteer model has demonstrated the effectiveness of elder empowerment and its adaptability to multicultural contexts. It has been adopted in university research, published in academic journals, and included in the National Strategy for Volunteering.
CASS is also a registered NDIS provider. It provides 24/7 accommodation and support for adults with disabilities. It also offers center-based day programs for people who need to live in a safe and friendly community environment. The disability services include group homes, center-based day programs, flexible respite care, carers groups, and the private services, Handy Helping Hands. Over the past decades, the contribution of CASS have been acknowledged by all levels of government and various sectors of society. CASS was commended in the Federal Parliament and the New South Wales Legislative Assembly on many occasions. The achievements are recorded in the Parliamentary Hansard. In recent years, CASS received a number of awards, including New South Wales Premier's Multicultural Community Medals, Not-for-Profit Business Excellence Award in 2021 and 2024, the Cultural Diversity and Inclusion Award, and the Sustainability Leadership Award at the 2024 Third Sector Awards. Here at CASS, there are visionary managers, attentive professionals, dedicated staff members, and selfless volunteers. Those people benefiting from the services of CASS remark that people they met at CASS are like their extended family members, and CASS is their sweet home away from home.
제가 그 홈 패키지 레벨 3입니다. 이것을 받기 전에는 나이가 들어서 그런지 교통편이라든지 먹을 음식 준비라든지 집안일들이 되게 힘이 들었어요. 그런데 카스의 도움을 받고는 삶이 향상되고 많이 편해졌습니다.
I really enjoyed the staff and their hospitality and compassionate.
我作为一位新移民，对他们这种服务精神感到深深的谢意。
For 45 years, we have never forgotten why we started. To serve our community, we put people first, continue to deliver quality services, and move with the times, always responding to the changing needs of society. Like a strong growing tree, CASS will continue to nurture more of those in need in the future.